Exploring the best of Portugal. A tour of the top cities. Portugal is a country located on the western coast of Europe, known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. The country is characterized by its diverse landscapes, including beautiful beaches, lush green mountains, and rolling hills. Visitors can enjoy the beautiful scenery and natural wonders of the country by exploring the Algarve region, known for its beautiful beaches, or by visiting the Douro Valley, known for its terraced vineyards and picturesque villages. Portugal also has a rich history and culture, with many historic towns and cities, such as Lisbon, Porto, and Coimbra, offering a wealth of museums, monuments, and architectural treasures to explore. The country is also famous for its delicious cuisine, with traditional dishes such as bacalhau, codfish, and cozido, a traditional stew with meat and vegetables. All these elements make Portugal one of the most beautiful and charming countries in Europe. Here are the best Portuguese cities to visit. Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, known for its historic architecture, vibrant nightlife, and delicious seafood. Visitors can explore the historic neighborhoods of Alfama, Baixa, and Belém, and see famous landmarks such as the Belém Tower, Jerónimo's Monastery, and the São Jorge Castle. Lisbon also offers a variety of museums, such as the Calouste Gulbenkian Museum and the Museum of Art, Architecture and Technology. In addition, Lisbon is known for its lively nightlife and delicious seafood, with many traditional seafood restaurants and bars in the city. Porto, a city located in the northwest of Portugal, known for its historic center, Douro River, and famous port wine. Visitors can explore the historic Ribeira district, take a boat tour on the Douro River, and visit the famous port wine cellars located in the city. Porto also offers a variety of museums, such as the Saraves Museum of Contemporary Art and the Museum of Port Wine. In addition, the city is known for its lively nightlife, with many bars and clubs located in the city center. Sintra, a town located near Lisbon, known for its stunning palaces and gardens, including the Penha Palace and the Moorish Castle. Visitors can explore the historic center of Sintra, visit the famous palaces and gardens, and take a hike in the surrounding hills. Sintra is also known for its delicious pastries, particularly the famous travesseiros and queijadas pastries. Coimbra, a historic university city located in central Portugal, known for its Baroque library and the famous Joanina Library. Visitors can explore the historic center of Coimbra, visit the University of Coimbra, and see the famous Biblioteca Joanina. The city also offers a variety of museums, such as the Museum of Science and Technology and the Museum of Machado de Castro. Albufeira, a coastal town located in the Algarve region, known for its beautiful beaches, lively nightlife, and picturesque old town. Visitors can explore the historic center of Albufeira, take a stroll on the famous Strip, and enjoy the nightlife, and visit the beautiful beaches in the area. The town also offers water sports and boat trips. Funchal, a city located on the island of Madeira, known for its lush gardens, historic center, and beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean. Visitors can explore the historic center of Funchal, visit the famous Madeira Botanical Garden and take a cable car ride to Monte for a panoramic view of the city. The city also offers a variety of museums, such as the Madeira Story Center and the Museum of Sacred Art. Guimarães, a historic city located in northern Portugal, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and the Castle of Guimarães. Visitors can explore the historic center of Guimarães, visit the Castle of Guimarães and the Palace of the Dukes of Braganza, and see the famous Largo da Oliveira Square. The city also offers a variety of museums, such as the Martin Sarmento Museum and the Alberto Sampaio Museum. Évora, a historic city located in central Portugal, known for its well-preserved Roman ruins, Gothic cathedral, and the famous Chapel of Bones. Visitors can explore the historic center of Évora, visit the famous Roman temple and the Cathedral of Évora and see the famous Chapel of Bones. The city also offers a variety of museums, such as the Museum of Évora and the Museum of Sacred Art. In addition, Évora is known for its delicious traditional cuisine, particularly its famous ensopado de borrego, lamb stew, and cozido, a traditional stew with meat and vegetables. Lagos, a coastal town located in the Algarve region, known for its beautiful beaches, historic center, and lively nightlife. Visitors can explore the historic center of Lagos, visit the famous Lagos Marina and the Lagos City Museum, and see the famous Lagos Slave Market. The town also offers beautiful beaches such as Praia do Camilo and Praia Dona Ana. Cascais, a coastal town located near Lisbon, known for its beautiful beaches, historic center, and the famous Boca do Inferno. Visitors can explore the historic center of Cascais, visit the famous Boca do Inferno in the Cascais Citadel, and see the famous Guincho Beach. The town also offers a variety of museums, such as the Museum of the Sea and the Museum of the Palace of the Marquises of Pombal. Nazaré, a coastal town located in central Portugal, known for its beautiful beaches, historic center, and the famous Nazaré Lighthouse. Visitors can explore the historic center of Nazaré, visit the famous Nazaré Lighthouse and the Church of Nossa Senhora da Nazaré, and see the famous Praia do Norte beach. The town also offers a variety of seafood restaurants, where visitors can try the famous caldeirada fish stew. Abidos, a fortified medieval town located in central Portugal, known for its well-preserved walls, historic center, and the famous Abidos Castle. Visitors can explore the historic center of Abidos, visit the famous Abidos Castle and the Church of Santa Maria, and see the famous Largo de Camões Square. The town also offers a variety of museums, such as the Museum of the Abidos Castle and the Museum of the Chocolate. Setúbal, a coastal town located near Lisbon, known for its beautiful beaches, historic center, and the famous Troia Peninsula. Visitors can explore the historic center of Setúbal, visit the famous Troia Peninsula and the Setúbal Castle, and see the famous Praia do Troia beach. The town also offers a variety of seafood restaurants, where visitors can try the famous amejoas e bulhão pato, clams with garlic and cilantro. Ericeira, a coastal town located near Lisbon, known for its beautiful beaches, historic center, and the famous Ericeira World Surfing Reserve. Visitors can explore the historic center of Ericeira, visit the famous Ericeira World Surfing Reserve, and see the famous Praia dos Pescadores beach. Portimão, a coastal town located in the Algarve region, known for its beautiful beaches, historic center, and the famous Portimão Marina. Visitors can explore the historic center of Portimão, visit the famous Portimão Marina and the Portimão Museum, and see the famous Praia da Rocha beach. The town also offers a variety of museums, such as the Museum of the Portimão Fishermen and the Museum of the Portimão Sacred Art.